Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to get Ronaldo Cristiano in Infinity Craft. So first, grab a wind and earth to create a dust. Now, combine the dust with a wind with a sandstorm. Now combine sandstorm and sandstorm in dust storm. Add another sandstorm, create a dust bowl. Water it, new mud. Combine dust bowl with mud, new mud bowl. Now add mud to it and a football. Combine football and football into a soccer. Now grab earth and the earth to create a mountain. Buy them and a goal. And goal and goal, get a trophy. Now combine it with soccer. You have a champion. Now add another soccer to it. Get a Ronaldo, Cristiano. Oh, sorry, only Ronaldo. Now, if you want a Cristiano, you have water and fire. Create a steam. A train. Now, combine train, Ronaldo, new Cristiano. Now, combine Ronaldo into R7. R7 Cristiano and a Cristiano Ronaldo. And that's it. I hope that helped, and I will see you later. Bye.